So did anybody talk to you about moving the kneecap around? Okay, so when you're extended and you've got really great extension right now, so everything looks really solid. Basically what you want is you want to come on either side of the kneecap.
Yeah.
So the kneecap's right in there.
Right.
I'm on either side. And I just do a little gentle glide side to side.
No, I never did that before.
Yep. And if it's not stuck, it's no big deal. You know, if it's not stuck, that tapping that you hear, so when I go like that, that's the bottom of the kneecap and the top of the implant they put in. No big deal. It'll go away. Kind of part of that is the swelling.
Oh, okay.
So usually what we do is we do a minute or two side to side glides, and then you do a minute or two
That
up and
way.
down. Because when you bend your knee, the kneecap has to move up and down and side to side. And so this just kind of keeps it mobile.
Okay. That's kind of awkward.
Yeah, whichever. And you could do one hand here and one hand here, like your fingers, just like that. So it's not so much that it's twisting, it's going to be side
Oh,
to
okay.
side.
Oh, yeah, I felt it click.
Yeah, when you feel that little click, that's perfect. That's
Yeah, I feel the click.
You know, and so you do 10 of them side to side. And then let's go top and bottom.
How can you tell that one? They
You
don't
got
have
it.
no click.
No, but I can see it moving.
Oh,
You can
okay.
kind of see it move under the skin.
Okay.
And so you do this maybe one time in the morning, like if it's stiff, and then in the evening.
It's
Perfect.
like stiff every 2 hours. That wakes me up to get out of bed.